Good day, viewers. You are welcome. We need to find f of square root of 3 in this question. This is a functional equation, and note that x here is not equals 4. So having x equals to 4, this gives us undefined. And how can we get f of square root of 3? If we consider the step-by-step solution, first is we set the input here, which is 2x plus 1 over x minus 4 equals square root of 3. On setting this, we are going to have f of root 3 equals to x squared, but we have to make x the subject of the formula. Dividing both side by 1, we're going to have to cross multiply. So this gives us 2x plus 1 equals x minus 4 multiplied by square root of 3. And then we have 2x plus 1 equals, open this bracket, so this gives us square root of x, square root of 3 multiplied by x, then minus 4 root 3. Then we have to rearrange this. This is x, this is x. We take it in one side, and we have to transfer this one to other side as well. So this gives us 2x minus root 3x equals minus 1 minus 4 root 3. So x is common. If we factor it out, we are left with 2 minus root 3 equals minus bracket 4 root 3 plus 1. So dividing both sides by 2 minus root 3, we have this 2 minus root 3 cancelled, and x equals minus, actually we can take this minus down, or if you like we can leave it like this. So by taking it down, we are going to have the change in operation of this, and the numerator gives us 4 root 3 plus 1 divided by, when this comes down, this 2 becomes negative and minus root 3 becomes positive, which can be switched as square root of 3 minus 2. So this is for x, but let's try to simplify this by rationalizing. So by rationalizing this, we are going to have multiplying this with root 3 minus 2 plus 2, and this is root 3 plus 2. So here we have x equals 4 root 3 plus 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 2 divided by root 3 minus 2 multiplied by root 3 plus 2. And next we have x equals, if we multiply this together, we are going to have minus 1. So the whole of this gives us minus 1, and numerator becomes minus 4 root 3 plus 1 bracket root 3 plus 2. So this is for the value of x. Then after getting this, we come back to simplifying this 4 root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 2. So here we have minus bracket 4 root 3 multiplied by 3, this gives us 12. And 4 root 3 multiplied by 2, this gives us 8 root 3. And 1 multiplied by root 3 gives us root 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. So we have minus bracket 12 plus 2, that is 14, plus 8 plus 1, that gives us 9 square root of 3. If this is the final for the value of x, then we have to recall back that from where we have f of root 3 which equals x to the power of 2. Then we have to substitute. So by substitution, we have f of root 3 equals the whole of x is minus bracket 14 plus 9 root 3, then all raised to the power of 2. With this square, the negative will be affected and it becomes positive. So for f of root 3, this equals 14 plus 9 root 3, then all raised to the power of 2. If you like, we can leave the answer in this form, or let's try to expand this. So by expanding this, we have, considering a plus b raised to the power of 2. So this gives us a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And applying it to this, we have f of root 3 equals, if a is 14 and b is 9 root 3, we are going to have 14 squared plus 9 root 3 all squared plus 2 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 9 root 3. Then we have 14 squared, that is 196, plus here we have 9 squared, that gives us 27, multiplied by the square root of 3 squared, that gives us 3. Then plus, if I multiply 2 by 14 by 9, so this gives us 252, then root 3. So for f of root 3, this equals 196 plus 23 multiplied by 9. So this gives us 81, then plus 252 multiplied by root 3. Then by adding, we have an oversight here. 9 squared, it gives us 81, and by multiplying 81 by 3, this gives us 243, and adding 196 plus 243 together, that gives us 439, then plus 252 root 3, and this is for f of root 3. This gives the final answer. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.